Order, honorable members.
Yes, the Honorable Speaker.
Honorable Wandai, this is the correct time that you should have stood.
Thank you. I'm well guided.
Prosecute your matter.
I was telling the Honorable Chungwa that I've been out of this house for some time. I've been engaged in other national duties outside. Mr. Speaker, I was rising on a point of order number 20A5. But simply put, without really prevaricating, Mr. Speaker, I did write to you on the 6th of April, communicating the decision of the minority coalition, the removal of Honorable Sabina Chege as the deputy minority whip. Oh, I hear she's party leader. I don't know about that. I know that the leader of the Jubilee Party, which is a constituent party of Azimio, is none other than His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Mr. Speaker.
Order.
Mr. Speaker.
Order.
I don't want to be drawn into
Keynan, what is it? Order, honorable members. The statement by Honorable Wandai should not excite you unnecessarily. Yes?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Is it in order for the Honorable Wandai to mislead this House and Kenyans in general that Uhuru Kenyatta is the leader of Jubilee when we have just made a decision and our party leader is the Honorable Sabina Chege, Mr. Speaker? And is he in order, Mr. Speaker? Is he in order, Mr. Speaker?
Order.
Yes. Leader.
Order. Order, honorable members, order. Order. Order, honorable members. Order. Order, honorable members. Order. Order, Honorable Keynan, order. 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 Honorable Member Mbeyu. Honorable Mbeyu. Any more misconduct, and you'll get the distinction of being the first for me to send out. I don't want you to have that distinction, but you are inviting it. Order, Honorable Rosa Buyu. It is enough for you to speak from where you are. It's totally out of order to picket along the aisle to go and menace another member. Order, Honorable Rosa Buyu. Order. The floor is with the Honorable Opiyo Wandai. He will be heard uninterrupted, and anybody who engages in misconduct, you will be inviting your exclusion from the chamber. Honorable Wandai.
The Honorable Speaker, thank you very much. I want to be very, very brief. That under the Standing Order 20A5, immediately I did write to you communicating our decision to remove the Honorable Sabina Chege as the deputy minority whip. We expected you to communicate the same to the House. Mr. Speaker, on the 11th of April, when we expected that communication to come from you, you did the unexpected and opened up debate over the matter. Mr. Speaker, I protested against that decision, but of course, as the Speaker, I had to go by what you decided. After the debate, which in our view was totally uncalled for, I rose to ask you to give us a firm undertaking as to when you will make the communication. The Speaker, you will recall that you declined to do so. And again, I respect it. Mr. Speaker, this House cannot be complete without the minority side. This House, under the Constitution, can only be complete with the majority and the minority sides. And therefore, the minority coalition deserves respect. We deserve respect from everybody else. It is not the duty of the majority coalition, nor is it the duty of the Speaker to decide for us who is our whip or deputy whip. And that message must go home clear and loud, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, it is now a month. It's now a month since I did write to you. Since I did write to you, it's now a month. And therefore, that delay definitely means that our side is incapacitated. We cannot manage our affairs properly because we are having a serious vacancy in our leadership. But in the manner we are moving, Mr. Speaker, if we cannot get a mere communication on a decision by ourselves to remove one of our own from a position to which we placed her, then there's no need for this House to continue transacting business. There's no need. There's no need.
Are you done?
Then we can as well pack up and go home, all of us.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're finished? Order.
And Mr. Speaker,
You'll be heard in
I
silence.
am not the kind of person that can easily be intimidated. You know that.
Have you finished?
I can never be intimidated by any person. Never.
Order.
Never.
Honor, and I finish up.
Never.
Thank
It
you.
can never happen. And therefore, I want to say this, that Mr. Speaker, kindly give the communication now about the
Thank you. You're done? Honorable members, order. Thank you, Honorable Minority Leader, for your very spirited statement. I agree with the facts, as you have said. You wrote to me, that is true. I brought the matter to the floor, that is true. I allowed a debate, that is true. I promised a ruling, that is true. That I didn't give a date for the ruling, that is also true. The Speaker is not going to be part of the management of any affairs of any party or any coalition, but the Speaker is also enjoined in the oath he took to protect and defend the Constitution, and will do so without any fear or favor or prejudice. The ruling that you are seeking is its in final stages by the team that works with Mr. Speaker, the Office of the Clerk, and it is equally true that it will be delivered, and I can assure you that I'll deliver it tomorrow, and you will get the contents and the outcome of So let's not be unnecessarily agitated. Honorable, and I have tremendous respect for you, and nobody will intimidate you in my presence. Yes, so don't cry about intimidations. Honorable Ichungwa, your counterpart, is not in the business of intimidating people, and I will not allow him to do so either. So it is so ordered. Order. If Wamboka, you have been a victim of Ichungwa's intimidation, you come and tell me, I'll protect you. Order, honorable members, order. Honorable Atandi. Honorable Atandi. It is grossly out of order to throw the jibes that I've heard you throw at the chair. and you'll go down in history as the first member to be ordered to be excluded from the proceedings of the House, and I'll order you to leave this afternoon. Honorable Atandi, take your leave. Take your leave, Honorable Atandi. Honorable Atandi, take your leave. If the chair was to be drastic, I would have asked somebody to name you, but I will not. Just take your leave quietly. Order, Honorable Wandai. Let me finish with Atandi first. Just take your leave. You are now a stranger in the House. Take your leave. Honorable Atandi. Order, honorable members. Be the gentleman that I know. Honorable Mwenje, ask your question. Honorable Mwenje, are you in the House? Ask your question.